Hello guys! Naghahanap ka rin ba ng bagong tambayan with your family and friends? Welcome to Leilati, Qatar. Located nga pala sila dito sa Doubletree by Hilton, Al Sadd area, ground floor. Perfect na perfect ito para sa pamilya at sa magbabarkada. Dahil sobrang dami ng pwede mong pagpilian, may cupcakes, may pan de munggo, pan de coco, Spanish bread, vegan tahini, hopia, petit four, papacake man yan, cheesecake, egg pie, custard cake, mousse. Meron din silang ensaymada, brownies, rebel bar, cookies. Nagko-customize din sila ng cupcakes and cakes for any kind of celebration. So come on guys, come and visit Leilati, Qatar. Pwede rin kayo magpa-deliver sa kanila sa Talabat, Nono Rafik, Deliveroo at Baladi. Or you can visit their account on Instagram and TikTok. Sinubukan na nga namin na halos lahat ng meron sila dito. And halos lahat masarap talaga. Nasigurado talaga akong babalikan mo. Personally, I recommend you to try the pistachio latte kasi para sa akin, it's perfect. Idagdag mo pa tong Rebel Bar at yung mixed pandesal nila, ay naku po. Lahat masarap. My goodness. Yum to? Idagdag mo pa tong caramel and ubi yema cake nila na talaga namang mapapa-take out ka. Food nila in fairness. And guys, last na. This is a must try. Yung colors nila, promise, so refreshing. 10 out of 10. Sa sobrang sarap, lalo na yung pomegranate at yung lychee, babalik-balikan ko talaga. So ayun guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Hey!